Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be potting into pots these 50 Gladioli large flowering mix. It says there plant March to June, flowers July to September. Flower beds, borders and planters. Bulb size 10 to 12 centimetres. Grown these before. Really good value for money. £5. Yep, £5. That's 10 pence a bulb. Yep. It says here on the back to show you what information it's got here, so if you need to go through it all, try and get it all in focus. Planting guide, how high they grow, and bulb size. So first of all, I'll just set this camera up. Sorry about this, folks. Hope everybody's keeping well, by the way. All of these pelargoniums in the back. Fabric nursery, absolutely amazing. Look at that. That's going to look really well this year. Anyway, back to what we're talking about. Getting these sorted. So first of all you need to do then is just simply get into your bag. Right, so show you how to tell which is the top, which is the bottom. There we go. Quite easy. There's the top, little spike on it. Bottom, knobbly bits where the roots have grown. So as you can see, quite concaved at the bottom. There you go. Some of these are starting to already split into more bulbs, which is great. But they're nice big bulbs, these, good quality. I've grown them before. As you can see there, the flowers absolutely amazing. But by starting from pots, it means you can move them about where you want them in the garden. That's why I do it this way. So first of all, a pot this size. I'm using a peat-based compost. I like to plant them probably a couple inches deep. You can see there, on the upside down. Probably get 4 in here. You don't want to overcrowd them, you don't want them touching. Yeah, 4 will be fine in there. Because don't forget, these are going to grow and swell, so you don't want them starting to rot or anything like that. So once you're going to plant them a few inches deep, just get your peat-based compost over the top. Pat down, give them a good water from the top, and then you want to, once you've given a good water, stick them in a tray full of water, let everything get saturated, take them out, drain them, and put them somewhere nice and bright and warm. And then in a few weeks, when the weather improves a little bit, get them planted out where you need them. Yeah, you can get them planted out where you need them. So that's that one. Also plant them in these little 9 centimetre pots, which are great. But then you can just add a splash of colour to your borders. You think, I've got a little space there. Boom. Get one of these in there. So it's same again. Couple inches deep. Cover with compost. And like I said, value for money is unbelievable with these. So water that, stick it in a tray full of water, let it absorb. Yeah, so like I said, you get such a variety of colours. What you can do to make sure you've got some flowers, like a 15 one week, 15 another week, 15 a week after, so you've got a continuous spray of flowers in your garden. So yeah, if you've got any questions how to grow gladioli in pots, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, folks, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Bye.